Are you looking for the best air fryer toaster ovens? In this video we will look at some of the best air fryer toaster ovens. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 3. Ninja Flip SP151. The best air fryer / toaster oven combo we've tested with a compact design is the Ninja Flip SP151. This toaster oven has a space-saving trick. You can flip the oven backward when not in use, allowing you to store it out of the way and giving it a much smaller footprint. This oven has a short cooking chamber, so it may not fit a cake or a loaf of bread, but its mesh air fry basket is around the same size as that of the Cuisinart air fryer TOA70. It air fries a little less evenly but still produces mostly crispy Brussels sprouts or chicken wings quickly. Otherwise, it offers a good multi-purpose performance. It maintains a stable temperature during cooking, which helps you get consistent results when baking or roasting. You can use it to toast 6 slices of bread pretty quickly, so it's a good option when you need a lot of toast fast, like brunch or a big family breakfast. However, the cooking chamber's smaller dimensions make it harder to clean by hand than the other picks here, especially since the interior doesn't have a non-stick coating. Number 2. Breville The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV 900 BSS. If you need a lot of capacity to air fry for the whole family, the best big air fryer toaster oven we've tested is the Breville The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV 900 BSS. This large capacity toaster oven can fit 9 slices of bread or cookware like a 9 inches by 13 inches baking pan, so it's suitable for big batches and full meals. It doesn't quite match the Cuisinart air fryer TOA70's air fry performance since it's significantly slower, but it produces similarly even air fried food. Its mesh air frying basket is also bigger, so you can air fry more food at once. Otherwise, it's a versatile option with many different functions and features. It has 4 different rack positions in various modes, including dehydrate and slow cook. While it doesn't maintain that stable a temperature during cooking, it's still a decent choice for baking something like a pizza or a batch of cookies. However, as a bigger oven, it preheats slowly. It's not the best choice for toasting bread, either. It makes the most even toast with just 4 slices in the chamber and is very slow. Number 1. Cuisinart Air Fryer TOA70. The best air fryer toaster oven we've tested is the Cuisinart Air Fryer TOA70. This medium-sized toaster oven can accommodate a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread. Using its air fry function and mesh air frying basket, it quickly air fries foods like French fries and chicken wings. Most of the food comes out crispy and golden brown. This model will still undercook some of it, so it doesn't air fry completely evenly, but overall, its performance is very good for an oven-style air fryer. Otherwise, it's a decently versatile option with some unique features. For example, the grill function heats food only from the bottom, which is handy for making burgers and other grilled recipes. While it lacks a preheat reminder, it preheats quickly and is a good option for reheating leftovers. You can use it for baking with or without convection. However, it doesn't maintain a stable temperature during cooking, so it's not the best toaster oven for baking since this can lead to your food burning or drying out before being cooked through. It can also toast 6 slices of bread at once, though it makes much more evenly toasted bread 4 slices at a time.